back. We just came back from, where did we go out of? John's Pass. So we just went out on a charter out of John's Pass. Had some friends that went out, so I went out with them. We went out on a mission to try to catch some American red snapper, but we didn't have any luck with that. But we did catch quite a few lane snappers, grouper, and a couple other snapper. I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and get everything off the boat, and then I'll get right back with you and show you everything we caught today. It's like lemonade or tea or something. Yeah, they'll like sneak up on you. You'll be fine living your life, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh.
Fresher for sushi than this.
Yeah. It's just really salty.
Yeah, super salty. But super healthy.
Slimy, I think I'll pass.
It's kind of like a blend. This is very rare in these parts. Today we caught this African snapper.
Chaotic.